Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Volvo XC90 glove box. To begin, locate the small, circular button positioned on the right side of the glove box door. This button is designed to be discreetly integrated into the dashboard. Once you've found it, simply press the button firmly with your finger. You will feel a slight click as the latch releases, allowing the glove box door to smoothly swing open downwards, providing access to its contents. Once the glove box is open, you'll find a practical storage space. This area is ideal for keeping important documents such as your vehicle's owner's manual, registration, and insurance papers neatly organized. It's also a perfect spot for smaller essentials like a pen, a compact flashlight, or even a pair of sunglasses. The design ensures these items are easily accessible yet securely stored while you are driving. Closing the Volvo XC90 glove box is just as straightforward. Simply push the glove box door upwards with a gentle, even pressure. You will hear a distinct click, indicating that the latch has engaged and the door is securely closed. It's important to ensure it's fully latched to prevent it from opening unexpectedly during your drive and to keep your stored items safe and free from rattling noises. For optimal function, avoid overfilling your glove box, as this can prevent it from closing properly or even damage the latch mechanism. It's also a good practice to periodically clean the interior with a soft cloth to keep it tidy and well-maintained. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your vehicle organized and well-maintained contributes to a more enjoyable driving experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.